Good morning, guys. Welcome again in another vlog of Explore with me, PRASENJIT. Today, our journey is to Tuisoi Waterfall, which is also known as Saikar Bari Waterfall. Let's go and explore. Let's see what's there.
Within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above? I just need one. Diving in all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. A sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this stream.
At last, we have reached our destination, that is Tuisoi Waterfall, also commonly known as Saikar Bari Waterfall. I haven't been here. This is my first time. Let's see. But heard of it. It's a very good place to visit. Let's go and explore.
Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep.
We have come to another place for exploring. This is Tuisoi Waterfall, which is in Saikar Bari area. Let's go and explore. We can hear the sound of water falling from the hilltop. Let's just go and explore. See, we are crossing through this way. We can hear the sound of the water flowing down from the hilltops. Yes, lovely place. This is the first one. This is the way we are moving towards the waterfall. I think I'm started seeing the part of the waterfall that is flowing down right there. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. This is beautiful. See the place. This is called the Tuisoi Waterfall. It's located in Saikar Bari. There's one more waterfall right down, but since it's last night it had rained very heavily, so I don't prefer to take any risk going down there, but hope there'll be a very nice view. Yes, it is there. I can't actually show you, but I have almost seen that. If I were able to show you, wow, that's beautiful, but today I'm not going to take the risk in going there.